Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,339. 24-hour volume, we're up 23%, and market cap, we are down 1.58%. So heading over to our chart here on our daily chart here, you guys, we had reached all the way up to as high as $1,370. I'm going to take you over to our 4-hour chart just shortly after our price prediction of 5% of an increase and how beautiful that laid out. But essentially, with this increase, take a look at the volume as well. So, in this day here on October 23rd, the volume was only 182,000. So, the support of this uptrend eventually wasn't even there, and we are going to come down with some selling pressure as we already see that crossover of the RSI initiating that sell opportunity. So as we can see here, I'm going to use a new fib retracement to take a look at some areas of opportunity. And already we can see some areas in between 61 and 50%. And already we can see that is in between this area of supply and demand zone. Essentially, we do want to stay roughly above this area. If not, then we do want to stay within this area in order for us to continue this uptrend, because the last thing we want is a retest of our 20 moving average, which essentially is around the 50%. So we do want to stay within 1319 to 1337 here, so long as the pressure is balanced out. For our MACD line, as we can see, the bars are really minimal here. So I feel like there is going to be a breakout. Normally with our histogram bars, if they are small in size, it's wrapping up for a breakout, which we essentially want. So where I think the price is going to go is going to come into this zone here at the 13.9 and 13.37 until we see that natural pullback correction of this pump, and then continuing on and retesting the 13.72. Now let's head over to the 4-hour chart. So last time we did our video, I am going to try to make this a little easier to see. We were talking about that beautiful W in extension. After this double bottom chart pattern is a reversal pattern of this downtrend. We wanted a completion percentage of 5%. And if you remember, I was extending that line. I was extending it pretty high here of an extension all the way here. Take a look at how beautiful we matched that 5%. It did take a few corrections in the marketplace, coming back down, retesting our 61% of our fib here, coming up to 100%, and then coming back down again, which is really nice here, holding on to support of 20 MA and 50 MA. You can see already here too, area of confluence, 61%, holding on to that moving average. And we see an expansion of our MACD line, most importantly above our 0% in this bull run here. So as the price again increase, we saw an increase here of our volume, it is going to correct itself once again, hitting that 5% completion rate past 161% of our fib, which is again beautiful to see. Now we are needing to see a new fib chart for our areas of retracement, and already you can see 50% has been holding on strong for 1335 here. And I'm going to expand our chart a little bit more, because here again we want to stay within above this area of supply. If not, stay in here. But essentially where you see this already is closer to our 38%, but most importantly our 20 moving average. We are going to be using the 20 MA as a good area again for support, but we have been using this here at 13.1333 as good area of support already. So let's open it up, our RSI, and take a look. So the RSI itself is considered to be incredibly oversold here, but hasn't initiated that buying opportunity, which in fact is pretty good for us already, because this is a very small correction. It's not a huge shallow dip. It is a small correction. So again, we are most likely going to come up and retest the 1371 here. If we see Ethereum too on our daily time frame, we need that small correction for us to come up and retest the 1372 once again, so long as we are staying within this area. And again, you can see it's closer to the 20 MA. And most importantly, keep up the momentum of our MACD indicator because we do not want to retest the 20 MA if the momentum's looking like this, because most likely it is going to cross over and close below the 20 MA, and we are going to lose the momentum of this beautiful uptrend. So that's my video on Ethereum. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time.